Welcome to the Miele dishwasher cleaning and care video. All appliances that operate with water require a certain amount of maintenance that will help improve performance and help extend the life of the machine. Water can be very harsh on your appliance's internal plumbing and components. Proper cleaning and care are essential in order to prevent potential calcium and mineral buildup. Sometimes particles of food can get stuck in the spray arm jets. Clogged spray arm jets can lead to poor wash performance. The spray arm should be inspected and cleaned every 4 to 6 months. Today, we're going to cover how to access, remove, and clean the spray arms on your Miele dishwasher. There are 3 spray arms. One is located at the top, one in the middle under the basket, and one at the bottom of the dishwasher. For demonstration purposes, we will be using the G2170. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. Let's start by removing the top spray arm. First, turn the dishwasher off. If you have a cutlery tray, let's remove this first so we can have easier access to the top spray arm. Now, remove the locking tabs on each cutlery tray rail, like so. Pull out the cutlery tray and place it aside for now. To remove the top spray arm, press the top spray arm upwards to engage the inner ratchet and then rotate clockwise to remove. Let's place this aside for now. Pull the middle basket out slightly so we can have easier access to the middle spray arm. To remove the middle spray arm, again, lift up slightly so the teeth engage the upper ratchet assembly like so. Now rotate clockwise to remove. Let's also place this aside for now. Pull out the bottom basket. Pull the lower spray arm firmly upwards to remove. Now, let's go clean the 3 spray arms we just removed. We'll start with the bottom spray arm. Get a pointed object to check and clear any food particles that might be stuck in the spray arm jets. You can use a toothpick or any small pointed object. Here, I'm using the old-fashioned pipe cleaner to clean the jets. Now simply insert the pointed object into each spray arm jet. Repeat this process for all the spray arm jets. Now, let's grab the middle spray arm and do the same. Again, use a pointed object to insert here to make sure there are no food particles clogging the jets. Again, repeat this process for all 3 spray arm jets, top and bottom. We will now do the same for the top spray arm. Once the spray arm jets are cleaned, run under running water to flush out any small particles and also check for a clear water stream through each spray arm jet. Now that the spray arms are cleaned, let's go ahead and put them back into place. Let's start with the bottom spray arm. This just simply pushes back into place like so. Now return the bottom basket. Pull the middle basket out slightly for easier access to reinstall the middle spray arm. Align the middle spray arm and apply slight pressure as you rotate counterclockwise. Again, make sure you push up so the teeth engage the upper assembly like so. Then hand tighten. Check that the spray arm rotates freely. Now let's reinstall the top spray arm. Align the top spray arm and apply slight pressure as you rotate counterclockwise. Push up to engage and then hand tighten. And then check that the spray arm rotates freely. Now, let's reinstall the top cutlery tray by placing on the rails like so. Reinsert the left and right locking tabs, and we're all done. This concludes this dishwasher cleaning and care video. Please check back for future instructional videos. Everything covered in this video can also be found in your operating instructions. Thanks for watching.